the heart of Enugu, there's a place to explore, where dreams take flight and excitement roars. A big tech store, it's a world of wonders galore. With camera drones and children's toys, there's never a bore. Come on down to the Abatech store, with joy and laughter, what we adore. Solar lights and smartwatches, so much more. At the Abatech store, let your dreams soar. From sunrise to sunset, our doors are open wide. A haven for the curious, come along for the ride. Imagination sparked and adventure in the air. At the Abatech store, there's always something rare.